First, remove the 7 screws here. Note that there are 2 screws on the 2 sides of the casing that need to be removed. After all the screws are removed, we can take off the outer casing. On the motherboard, these interfaces are coated with red glue. Before replacing the motherboard, it is necessary to use tweezers to remove this red glue. If you want to replace the core version on the motherboard, just remove these 2 screws and pull up to remove. Pay attention to the wiring arrangement here. Gently press on both sides of the interface, then pull it out to remove it. These English screws here, we can use M5 sleeves to remove. There are 11 copper pillars here. Among them, the length of these 2 copper pillars is longer than the others. We still use M5 sleeve to remove it here. Now let's remove the screws on the motherboard. Finally, don't forget to apply red glue to the interface. After replacing the module, we have installed the casing and conducted a power-on test.